Come on, get your food. Can you get a strawberry? Get a strawberry like this. Alright, you got it. Now what? Where's that strawberry go? Nope, this side. Like this. Yay! Yay! Can you get a noodle? Get a noodle, like this. Where'd the noodle go? Yay! Good job. Is that your Mickey fork? Mickey Mouse? Is that Mickey Mouse? How about you get some turkey? Get some turkey burger. You got it. Now where's it go? Yay! Yay, good job! Chew it up. Where's your teeth? That's right. Can you get a strawberry? Get a strawberry over here. Like this. Hold it like this. Hold on, we have to get something on there first. Hold on, buddy. There's your noodle. Yay, Jack! Is that your Mickey fork? Where's Mickey Mouse? Where's Mickey Mouse? Let's try another noodle. Let's try this noodle. Yay, Jackie! Good job. You give me 5? Give me 5. I don't want the fork. Give me 5. Give me 5. Yeah! Alright. Yeah! Yeah! Let's try some more strawberries. Got one. Alright. Good job. Can you get a noodle? Almost. Look, you almost got it.